In compliance to the mandate of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. to bring services closer to the people, the Land Transportation Office or LTO will conduct a nationwide distribution of license plates to barangay level. The agency will target the tricycle operators and drivers associations or TODA as they are operating their motorcycles for livelihood. This step is in line with the goal of the LTO to fast-track solutions in addressing the backlog for license plates since 2014.
Yung motosiklo kasi, laki ng backlog dati, no? Nung pumasok ang administrasyon, Marcos administration, halos 12 million ang backlog. Nagpapatong-patong from 2014 onwards. So ngayon, catch-up mode tayo.
Earlier today, May 22, for the first time in the history of the agency, it directly turned over license plates to its owners. A total of 150 tricycle drivers and operators in Quezon City received their license plates as part of the ceremonial distribution. But the LTO will be distributing almost 3,000 license plates to tricycles in Quezon City. Some tricycle drivers registered their vehicles on 2014, while others are 6 years ago, but only this time they were given legitimate plates.
Oo, kasi pagka napadangan ng ako may operation, wala kang plaka, siyempre ang dating mo yun, kolorum ka. Sisitayin ka ngayon, kahit may lisensya ka, kahit na ano yun mo, basta wala kang plaka.
6 years bago kami nagkaroon ng ganitong plaka. Siguro ito wala na itong kahuli-huli. Kasi dati yung temporary na plaka natin medyo may sita.
LTO will also conduct distribution of license plates to tricycle drivers and operators to Guimaras and Bataan. The agency vows to address the 11 million backlogs to license plates of motorcycles until June 2025.
Ang utos ng Presidente by June 2025, kailangan matapos na to, yung backlog sa motorsiklo specifically. No? Yung supply ho natin ng plaka, dire-diretso lang. For 2025, yung ating supply forecast, suportado naman ho tayo ng ating gobyerno, ng ating kongreso.
JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.